afternoon. Location, halt to Plymouth along the Plymouth County coast. North and east facing shorelines of Cape Cod. Nantucket north and east facing shorelines. Coastal flooding, minor to moderate coastal flooding is possible. Timing, within a couple of hours of the Sunday late morning to midday high tide. Impacts, flooding up to a few feet deep possible along vulnerable shore roads and some basements. Some vulnerable shore roads in the watch area may become impassable for a time Sunday due to flooding and shore wave-borne sand and rocks. A coastal flood watch means that the potential exists for moderate or major coastal flooding. Moderate coastal flooding produces widespread flooding of vulnerable shore roads and shore basements due to the height of storm tide and shore wave action. Numerous road closures are needed. Lives may be at risk for people who put themselves in harm's way. Isolated structural damage may be observed. Winter storm warning in effect until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a winter storm warning for northern Connecticut, northern Rhode Island, and southeast Massachusetts, which is in effect until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. The winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Locations, northern Connecticut, northern Rhode Island, and southeast Massachusetts. Cities and towns in the warning include Hartford, Windsor Locks, Union, Vernon, Putnam, Willimantic, Taunton, Brockton, Foster, Smithfield. Providence hazard types, snow. Accumulations, snow accumulation of 6 to 10 inches. Timing, snow will develop around late morning and may be briefly heavy at times in the afternoon and evening. Gusty winds up to 35 miles per hour, combined with the snow will result in blowing snow and poor visibilities at times. The snow will begin to taper off after midnight. Impacts, hazardous travel with snow-covered roads and poor visibilities. Winds, northeast 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Temperatures, in the mid-20s. Visibilities, 1/4 to 1/2 mile at times. A winter storm warning is issued when an average of 6 or more inches of snow is expected in a 12-hour period, or for 8 or more inches in a 24-hour period. Travel will be slow at best on well-treated surfaces, and quite difficult on any unplowed or untreated surfaces. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Locations, Kent and Bristol counties in Rhode Island and coastal Plymouth County. Cities and towns in the warning include Plymouth, West Greenwich, Warwick, Bristol, Fall River, New Bedford, Chatham. Hazard types, heavy snow. Accumulations, snow accumulation of 8 to 12 inches. Timing, snow will develop around mid-morning and become heavy at times in this afternoon and evening. Snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour will be possible at times. Gusty winds up to 50 miles per hour, combined with the snow will result in blowing snow and poor visibilities at times. The snow will begin to taper off after midnight. Impacts, hazardous travel with heavy snow and poor visibilities. Heavy snow combined with strong winds may result in isolated power outages. Winds, northeast 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour. Temperatures, in the upper 20s. Visibilities, 1/4 mile or less at times. A winter storm warning is issued when an average of 6 or more inches of snow is expected in a 12-hour period, or for 8 or more inches in a 24-hour period. Travel will be slow at best on well-treated surfaces, and quite difficult on any unplowed or untreated surfaces. Winter weather advisory in effect until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a winter weather advisory for southern Worcester and Suffolk counties in Massachusetts, which is in effect until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Locations, southern Worcester and Suffolk counties in Massachusetts. Cities and towns in the advisory include Milford, Worcester, and Boston. Hazard